Unshielded twisted pair, UTP, Category 6 Ethernet cable. 24 Aruban Florens stranded, pure bare copper conductors. 550 MHz bandwidth. No protective plug retaining clip covers. 50 meters gold-plated contacts. Made of 100% pure bare copper wire. Fully compliant with UL Code 444. Compliant with National Electrical Code TIA-568-C.2 fire and safety standards. Save the time and hassle of building Ethernet cables by using fixed-length UTP Cat6 Ethernet network cables from Monoprice. The Zero Boot series of Ethernet cables are designed for IT and data center professionals who prefer interconnect cables without the covers that protect the plug retaining clips, allowing for faster and easier cable connections. Top reviews from the United States. Cheap and functional. These are what they are: cheap, functional patch cables. Nothing fancy about them, they just work, they're unbooted, and they're my go-to for patch cables.